Hi friends, for our math journal activity today, we're going to do comparing numbers. Now, we did a math journal like this the other day, but the directions are just a little bit different. So the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Now let's go over these directions together. Count the stacks of cubes, write the number, color the set of cubes that is greater. So if you remember when we did this the other day, we did the set that was less. Today we're doing the set that is greater. So the first thing I need to do is count the cube towers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to make a loop, then a line. That's how you write the number 9. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's write the number 10. 1 and a 0, 10. Okay, friends, now I need to take my crayon out and I need to color the cube tower that is greater. Well, I know that Greater Gator would like to chomp up and eat the 10 cubes. 10 is the bigger number. 10 is greater than 9. So I'm going to count the group with 10 in the cube tower. Let's do one more together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to go down and around to pick up sticks. That's the way to make a 6. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. Okay, friends, so 6 and 5. I want you to think in your brain, who would Greater Gator like to chomp up? Greater Gator's going to chomp up the 6. 6 is greater than 5. Okay, let's go over your directions again. First, you have to count. Then you have to write how many. Then you're going to color in the cube tower that is greater, so the one that has more. All right, friends, we will see you back here soon.